Welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. Today I've got for you some grilled chicken and I'm gonna serve this with some creamy shrimp noodles. Stay tuned for more.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So for this dish, I'm using a chicken breast and I've pounded it and I'm just gonna lightly season it with some chicken seasoning. Make sure you rub that seasoning in just to get it, all nice and seasoned. Now in a skillet, I'm just gonna heat a tablespoon of oil and I'm gonna put my chicken in. Now once the chicken's gone in, I do go ahead and brush the top with just a little bit of oil so to keep it moist. Now let's work on the sauce. So in a pan, I'm gonna heat about 10 to 15 grams of butter and I'm gonna go ahead and add my minced garlic. Now I'm gonna saute this for a couple of minutes. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining the family. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. Now after a couple of minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions and I'm gonna saute this for another couple of minutes. Just double check on your chicken and just turn that over. Now I cook this chicken on about 6 minutes each side. Now after a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and crumble in a chicken bouillon cube because you guys know that, I like that something there, not nice. Just gonna let this fry off for a bit. After I say a couple of minutes, I'm gonna add my cream. Now I'm using about a 300 ml container of cream, and that same container, once I've emptied the cream, I've just refilled it with some water and added that as well. Now I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of garlic granules. This is completely optional. You don't have to use so much, but I do like my sauce quite garlicky, so hence why I've used so much garlic, but you can reduce it. Now I'm gonna add some freshly chopped parsley to this. I'm also gonna add about a teaspoon and a half of Creole seasoning. A teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, and also a tablespoon of dried parsley flakes. Now I'm just gonna let this simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now I do like to add these little prawns in there because I find that they give the sauce such a good flavor. Now once I put that in, I just leave it on a really low heat just to, simmer and just let all that goodness just merge. Now I'm gonna be serving the spaghetti with this dish, so you can go ahead and put your spaghetti to cook. Follow the guidelines on the packet. Once that is cooked, just add that to your sauce. Just give that a good mix. Then get that chicken. I've sliced my chicken and I'm just gonna add it on to the top of my pasta. Add a few more chopped parsley flakes, and you know I do love my fresh chilies, so I gotta add my fresh chilies. And just look at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet thumbs up this video, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen, and don't forget to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit. Only you can limit yourself. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.